Hey, it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and in today's tutorial you will learn how to make the one balloon hummingbird and butterfly. All right, let's get this party popping. We're going to take your 260 and you're going to basically inflate it almost all the way, but you need to leave for the hummingbird. You need to leave a little for its beak, okay? And then you're going to burp it. Okay. So now what you're going to do is we're going to create this circle, but we're going to leave room for the body. We're going to cross it. We're going to leave room for the face and the body. So you're going to pinch and twist all at the same time. But I want the face to be a little long, like that, okay? Then, once you've done that, you're going to find the midpoint, okay, by putting your thumb in the section where you twist it, and immediately across, you're going to twist. It's going to be gives you two bubbles. Then you're going to clap your hands together and create an 8. So right now you have a 0. And you're going to twist right there. Okay? And then we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to find the midpoint. We're going to pinch and we're going to twist. We're going to pinch it here and twist. If that's too hard for you, you can pinch it individually and twist it before you go into the section, okay? That's your option, okay? Same process. And put it all together and twist. And now you have a hummingbird. Adjust your wings. And there you have it. You have a hummingbird, okay? Now, you just do the same exact recipe, the same twist, but we're going to do a butterfly. But it's going to be this direction. So this is going to be the face, and we want that to be small. So go ahead and inflate your balloon. And in this case, we don't need to leave the beak. So we're going to inflate it all the way, and we're going to burp it, okay? Tie it off. All right, I want a small face, so I'm just going to do a 1-inch bubble, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and make my circle, and I'm going to cross it, just like I did with the hummingbird, okay? So we're going to cross it here, and then that's going to be your butterfly body, okay? If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you. Finger or your thumb where it's twisted with those 2 bubbles. You can twist beforehand. Twist your 2 bubbles. There you go. Twist it. Okay. You have your circle. Now we went in the 8. We're going to clap our hands, right? You're just bringing your hands together. And you're going to twist right there. Okay? And then we're going to make a figure 8, like the number 8. So we have the 8. I'm sorry, we're going to put it together and make a 0. Okay? Again, you could clap. If that's too tight for you, you can twist first, like I showed you with the hummingbird. Okay? I'm going to just go ahead and pinch. And I'm twisting all that together. Okay. And then you have yourself a butterfly. You just have to do your artwork, okay? So let me do my artwork. And for the butterfly, all I'm doing is my upside down C's. And then there's the little butterfly, and you can add eyelashes if you like, okay? I'll add a few eyelashes. And there you have it. Now, if you like, you can take a 260 and tie it into the bottom so that the kids can have a handle to hold on to and fly, okay? So let me do that for you real quick so you can see what that looks like. Simply inflate your 260 in its entirety. Okay, tie it off. Leave enough for you to pull into the balloon. Now, on the bottom, if you want to make this a handle, then you just make a 1-inch bubble and create a little loop for them to be able to put this around their wrist. Bring this 1-inch bubble through so it's locked. Then take this and you're gonna just pull it through. Okay? Pull it through. Make a figure 8. So make sure it's really locked. Okay? And there you have it. They can fly. They can put this on their wrist, and then they can fly their balloon. Okay? So that's an option. And you can do the same thing with the hummingbird. All right? And so with the hummingbird, no different. Just make sure that you do your face is the part with the beak. Same artwork for me. Upside down U. Okay? And then you have yourself a hummingbird. All right. Thank you for watching. Happy twisting, y'all.